Lakad ng banding ng aking mga kids ngayon, guys. Banding with my two kids. Yan, oh. Diba? Inasulit ko ito ngayon, guys. Kasi pag laki ng mga to, ayaw na to sa akin. Kaya ginasulit ko lang, guys. You've been. Oh, yeah. Dito kami ngayon sa may Mark Spencer. Ang Mark Spencer ngayon, yan o. Dito tayo ngayon, guys, sa may Boots. Yan o. Lakad-lakad tayo dito sa Strand Promenade, Strand Street. Yan o, lakad-lakad kami dito, guys. With the two kids. Yan. Lakad lang. Yan o. Lakad-lakad lang, guys. Kami ngayon sa Dells, guys. Oh.
I think there's one more.
Yan o. Yan o. Busy kami, guys. Ito. May binili kami ng jack, stereo jack. Or Type C. Jack connector. Type C. Jack connector. Yung binili ko. Banding. See? Yes, banding. Yan. Yes, banding. Banding, guys. Banding, girls and boys. Yan, oh. Yan, dito na lang tayo sa Mark Spencer, guys. Yan, ikot-ikot kaming tatlo bago kami punta sa final destination. Hanap sila ng pagkain nila, guys. Ayaw nila yung pili ko eh. Yan mga pagkain nila, guys. Ayaw nila yung luto ko. Yan, steak. Ang lalaki ng mga pizza, guys. Ay, nako. Which one? Which one? Smoky barbecue? Chicken?
I'm not liking anything.
Yun. Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila eh. How about here?
No, this has just made me lose my appetite.
Alright, okay. Complain din. Ito, masarap ito, guys. Oh. Ito, masasarap. Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila. Bahala kayo, mga bata kayo. Kain kayo. Bahala. Sige, pili. Yan. That one can. Oh, pasta. Wow.
I think I'm going to
Gusto. Okay. Is that the final? Final?
Yeah.
Isa dito daw. Gusto niya na. Bread. Bread. Ah, that one is nice. Yeah.
How many do you want?
Is it two?
2?
Yeah.
And then?
Two other there.
Gotta put it in its own thing.
Bread yung iba.
Be
Bread.
careful with that. It
Yeah.
might fall out.
Yeah.
Yeah. You never know. It
So-
might fall out.
So which one is dalawa naman doon. Okay. What else? Yeah.
I got 2 croissants. That's what I want.
Mm. Kinamay na niya.
Everything I'm eating. I do not appreciate this. I've barely eaten all day.
Okay. There you go. Yan guys, oh. Nakabili na kami. Ito na bili namin guys, oh. Ayan. Ito yung mga eating namin guys. Ito. Line in here. Okay guys, put that on. Put on guys. Meron guys, oh. Ito kinuha niyo, tomato, mozzarella. Okay. How about this? How about this flower plants? How about these plants, guys? You want this plant? Ano? Mga tanim? Guys? What? Any of this? Popular?
Why are we buying flowers?
Oh, okay. Ayaw nila. Ayaw na nila flowers, guys.
What occasion is this for?
Nothing. Just bonding.
Yeah, so why does the flowers come into that?
Because of bonding.
You don't need flowers though.
You didn't need flowers.
No?
All right. Ayaw nila magbili ng flowers, guys.
The most
Shout out, guys. Shout out to Project 89. Shout out to Marites Kaomara. Shout out to Lynn Official. Shout out to Marites Pansito, my friend. Banding ito ng mga kan ko doon nandun sa likod. Yan. Ano? Yan lang. Simple lang. Oh, di ba?
what?
Ilmang's happy na. Ganyan lang.
Did you bring your food?
Ganyan lang. Happy lang. Kasi pag kuha dito, wala na. Hindi na ito magtabi sa akin. Ayan, sulitin ko na guys. Yan lang yan. Dito na. Oh, dito na tayo sa Costa guys. Pasok tayo dito sa Costa. Gusto kape eh. Ayan o. Tama this.
Chocolate fudge brownie.
Which one you want there? No?
I was gonna get one, but then I had to buy two spoons.
I think I like Fanta guys. Fanta for that day. Sa kanila na maple hazel. Is that maple hazel?
Hazel.
Hazel. Maple hazel. Wow. Yan sa kanila. Maple hazel. Yan sa kanila. Maple hazel. Ako naman ay ito. Yan lang kay Pelmangs guys. Panta. Sapat na. Okay guys. Dito na guys oh. Ito ang counter. Yan, busy ang mga trabahante. Sayra. Yan. Ano? Yan o. Kabayan. Hello. Hello. Nagawa siya ng kwan guys. Nagawa siya ng maple hazel. Hi. Okay guys, ito na. Ito na yung order namin guys. So, wahoo! Okay.
What do you want to get? I don't know. Up to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you. Guys, yan guys. Diba? Guys, yan guys. Hello. Hi. Hi. Yan. Hi. Alright guys, so dito na kami. Tapos na ang banding namin. Yan, kumain na kami doon sa Maikpa.
Costa.
Costa. Yan. Costa. O ay, nilalamig na ang ulo niya.
Why did you do that on phone?
Ano? Ito ang sea terminal guys. Diyan magsakay ng boat papuntang Liverpool. Ayan. Ayan. Kaya. Alright guys. These are bike style. This is the bike style now. Yeah, bike style. I don't know. As in you. Alright guys, so sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming banding ng aking dalawang anak. Ayan.
Let's figure out. What's wrong?
Hanggang dito na lang. Bye!
Bye.
Goodbye.